He was granted compassionate leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. Told him if he took it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target. Only child. No, I didn't come up here to talk to you about no Strong J.
Really?
I came up here to talk about us. This is my Mac Daddy vibe I'm giving you in all of its splendor. So, tell me, baby, what's up? I'm sorry. If there was anything that I could...
Uncle Phil, you ain't know nothing, man. And I'm still 5 years old,
Yeah, you did.
I got to my first date without him. I learned how to drive. I learned how to shave. I didn't need him then. I don't need him now.
Young fellas like yourself can wear a suit and a tie and have a job. What do you really want to know? Am I sorry for what I did?
Well, are you?
There's not a day that goes by that I don't feel regret. Not because I'm in here, because I have a greater responsibility than you could possibly fathom. You weep for Santiago, and you curse the Marines. You have that luxury. You have the luxury of not knowing. Maybe there's nothing he'd rather do than, come up to you and say, Chris, you're a lousy husband, and you don't deserve Ann. Maybe there's nothing more he'd rather do than walk up to your face, look you right in your eye, and say to you, Chris, I'm banging your wife.
You woke up this morning, got yourself a gun.